Uniswap projected to increase 1.7% by tomorrow, Traders Union data indicates. Let's begin with a glance at the most recent market action. As of right now, Uniswap has dropped 3.1% in 24 hours and is hovering near $2.797. We now turn to the analyst predictions. Tomorrow's estimate from Traders Union is $2.844, which means a price gain of around 1.7%. CoinCodex projects Uniswap to move upward toward $2.824, a projected gain close to 1%. CoinDataFlow notes it might be on track for $2.82, implying a gain of 0.8%. A different forecast by CoinLore shows Uniswap could move down toward $2.76, a projected decrease close to 1.3%. Finally, Crypto Predictions sees a move to $2.745 by July 2, a 1.9% dip. This one gives the best short-term opportunity. That's your full analyst set. Let's go deeper. Now let's break down what the forecasts imply for tomorrow. Based on the forecasts we've just reviewed, the potential swing in price may be from a drop of 1.9% to a gain of 1.7%, depending on the analyst. In short, Crypto Predictions has the highest projected return with 1.9% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could see a return of between $8 and $19 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility analysis, CoinDataFlow's forecast has a 96.7% likelihood of being right. From the complete set of 5 forecasts, I've created a shared projection. The consensus baseline sets Uniswap close to $2.798. So let's go step by step. Consensus data points to price gaining about 0.1% by tomorrow. In straightforward terms, your capital might climb by the same 0.1% tied to that outcome. On a 1,000 position, this might represent $1 gained, which adds up to a probability of about 97.6% for the consensus forecast to hold true. Let's turn now to how analysts describe the near-term path over the 3 days. An upward push is signaled by Traders Union. Additionally, CoinCodex highlights the likelihood of a climb in price. CoinDataFlow expects the price to slump further. Also, CoinLore projects weaker prices ahead. Additionally, Crypto Predictions anticipates downward movement in the near term. Collectively, the forecasts point to Uniswap remaining calm, with the consensus indicating minimal movement in the short term. The combined picture shows that most expect Uniswap to move into lower levels. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. Ultimately, yesterday's final number was $2.779. The majority of analysts captured the way the market actually moved. Traders Union demonstrated the strongest accuracy. Now we'll sort out the results in detail. Only a single prediction was inside the candle's boundaries. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but Gov Capital Collector topped the list. Here's the daily summary: how each analyst's forecast performed in real numbers. Based on the verified data, Gov Capital Collector recorded 5.6% ROI and $0.135 accuracy. Have a look and see whose forecast matched reality best. Now let's take a look at tomorrow's expected returns across several coins to see where Uniswap stands. In the latest forecast comparison, Uniswap stays below Hyperliquid, which projects 6% return. At this stage, Uniswap is compared with only 4 cryptocurrencies. But the extended view with many more is already available on my website. You've made it to the end, which means you're serious about staying informed. If that's true, hit like. See you in the next update.